If you've ever been frustrated with not being able to feel your exercises in your glutes, like glute bridges or hip thrusts, I'm gonna show you why and show you exactly how to fix that. So one of the common mistakes that people do is they'll arch their back as they're doing their hip thrust or their glute bridge. If you do that, that's gonna load all of the pressure into your back instead of your glutes. What you wanna do is tuck your tailbone as much as you can, and you can see here, that's the pelvis tilting this way, and he's basically bringing his crotch to his rib cage, and his rib cage, he's gonna be pushing that down. So everything's flat. He's actually pushing his lower back into the ground here. And then from there, keeping that tucked position and staying braced, he's gonna lift up and squeeze his glutes to the top. That's typically the most common mistake when it comes to doing hip thrusts or glute bridges, when people complain about not feeling it in their glutes. So Brandon, do you feel it in your glutes now? Yeah. He feels it in his glutes. Another very common mistake that people do is they'll put a lot of pressure into their toes and they're driving kind of forward. What ends up happening is this ends up stretching the quads and putting the tension into the quads instead. So you're not gonna be able to feel it as much, even if you are tucking your glutes. So what you wanna do is always apply pressure across the whole foot. So this means even distribution of pressure from like your toes all the way into your heels. And if you do those two things, I guarantee you that you're gonna start feeling it much more in your glutes and you're gonna solve this issue. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.